Did you know you can cook frozen bacon in the oven? Learn more about how to save time in the kitchen by baking bacon while you prepare the rest of the meal. Oven-baked bacon is so simple to make when you're pressed for time. It only takes about half an hour and a few essential kitchen tools. Many of my favorite breakfast for dinner recipes call for cooked bacon, and oven-baked bacon is the easiest way to prepare it. Cooking bacon from frozen is one of the easiest ways to cook bacon. All you need is a baking sheet and some aluminum foil. However, it will take an extra minute or two in the microwave. Place the frozen bacon on a microwave-safe plate. Heat it for 30 seconds on each side. Then, peel off the strips and place it in the oven. If you don't want to use the microwave, you need to set your oven to warm and slowly heat it until you can peel the slices off. You don't want the strips to touch when you bake bacon. If they do, they won't be nice and crispy. This is what you need to do to cook bacon in the oven. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place a single layer of bacon on a wire rack over a baking sheet and bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until crispy. Make sure that the individual slices do not touch when cooking bacon. Cooked bacon will be crispier this way. If the bacon is thick cut, you may need to cook it for up to 30 minutes. Cook thick cut bacon until it has reached the desired crispness. Remove bacon from the oven and let drain on a paper towel-lined plate. Excess bacon grease can be saved and used for cooking. Let the hot grease cool and pour it into a glass jar or container with a lid. It will keep in the fridge for up to 3 months. Check out more tips in my blog post.